Good evening, my storybook. My name is Angeliset Castro. I am 26 years old. I am generous and understand. I like dancing all kinds of music and watch television. I do not like extreme games and skate. My location Moniquira, Boyacá. I like Halloween Day, celebrate 31 October. My family dresses up every year. We eat a lot of sweets. I take photos with my family. We order sweets in the store. We do constant parties. I decorate the house. I like to see other customers and like to give sweets to children. House chores. I always cooking. I usually clean the house. I never clean the windows. I often wash clothes by hand. I never vacuum the carpet. I sometimes clean the dust. I always mop the floor. I always clean my room. I often wash the dishes. I rarely wash the curtains. Favorite TV show, movies, music, or book. I like to watch The Simpsons. I like to listen Ed Sheeran and listen Coldplay. I like to watch Jim Carrey movies. I sometimes read I 100 Years Old, Solitude of Gabriel Garcia Marquez. I listen to news on Blu-ray. I often watch documentaries. I read the newspaper every day. I always preparing breakfast at 7 a.m. and I always watch news at 7 p.m. Clothes that actually wear according to the weather in different regions of my country. I must wear jacket in City Tunja. I must wear a scarf when I go to the Plaza de Tunja. I must wear shorts in Moniquira. I must wear sandals when I travel to the coast. I must wear rana in the areas of Tunja. In Yopal, I must wear gloves because of the heat. In Bogota, I must wear coat because of the cold. I must wear boots in the rainy season. I must wear in swimsuit on the beach. I must wear this in hot weather. Thank you. Goodbye.